Okay, so this will be another example of how you can use data wires in your NXT programs. This time I'm going to control a motor, namely the motor power, based off of the light sensor reading. So as the sensor gets brighter, the motor will get faster. And I'm going to make it so that the motor caps off at 50% power. Okay, so here's what we do. Again, we want a loop. And we take our light sensor block, put it down here, a move block, and I have a motor plugged into port B. Set this to unlimited. So now we come over here, take intensity, and we put it down into power. Now let's think about what this will do for a minute, okay? And this will take the light intensity and make the motor spin that fast. But the intensity of the light sensor can range from 0 to 100. But we want our motor power to range from 0 to 50, because I just want to cap it at 50% power. Now, there's two ways that we can do this. One, we can either make anything that the light sensor reads that's greater than 50 just top off at 50% power. So like if it reads 75, that gives 50% power. If it reads 100, that gives 50% power. The other option would be to use a gradient that just halves the light sensor reading. So if the light sensor reads 100, the motor spins at 50% power. If the sensor reads 40, the motor spins at 20% power, etc., etc. The way we do that, and that's the way that we're going to proceed with this, the way we do that is we come over to this Data tab and pull off a math block. Put it right in the middle. We want to delete this wire, so just click on it, press delete. Take your intensity and wire it into the math block. Take the result and wire it into the move block. Now let's configure this math block. We can apply division and divide by 2. So this means that if the sensor reads 80, we divide by 2 and this output is 40. We can shrink these data hubs down to make it small, and then we press download and run.